everybody, welcome back. Happy Thursday. So today we are making some Aquarius inspired macarons. So every month I do a recipe based on a particular astrological sign. We've almost done all of them. I think we have one more left and then we will have done the entire year. So excited. I keep on forgetting every month to post a video about it. So kind of relieved it's almost over. So today's video are Aquarius Macarons, and these are basically just vanilla macarons filled with delicious white chocolate ganache filling. And they do have some blueberry jam in the middle, and then they're topped with the Aquarius sign or symbol. And as always, I tell you guys what each astrological trait is and what they like, what their likes and dislikes. So let me just Google that now. Okay, so if you're born anywhere from January 20th to February 18th, sorry, it's a little late this month, you are progressive, original, independent, and a humanitarian. You like fun with friends, helping others, fighting for causes, intellectual conversation, and you are a good listener. And you dislike limitations, broken promises, being lonely, dull or boring situations, and people who disagree with you. So if that is you, if you're an Aquarius and you agree with those, or if you disagree, let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for your sign, I'll have a playlist linked here in the cards for you, so definitely check it out to see if I've already done your sign. Chances are, like 11 out of 12 I've done, so hopefully yours is there. If not, I will be there. Or if not, it will be there next month. Anyways, let's get started and make the macarons. So first, to make the macarons, combine the confectioner, sugar, and almond flour in a bowl and sift 3 times. Place the egg whites in a large bowl and beat with an electric mixer until foamy. Then add some cream of tartar and beat until soft peaks form. Then add some superfine sugar and beat on high speed until stiff peaks form. Then add the vanilla extract and gently mix to combine. Sift the dry mixture into the egg mixture and gently fold to combine. Then add enough blue food color to dye the macarons pale blue. Place the batter into a piping bag fitted with a large round piping tip. Pipe rounds onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or a Silpat baking sheet. Tap the baking sheet on the counter several times to release any air bubbles, and allow the macarons to rest at room temperature for 30 minutes. Set the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, heat for 5 minutes, then reduce to 325, and bake the macarons for 6 to 8 minutes, rotating the baking sheet halfway through. Then allow the macarons to cool completely on the baking sheet. Then to make the ganache, combine some melted white chocolate, whipping cream, and salt in a bowl. Dye a deep blue color and then place it in the fridge until it's set for about 1 hour. Beat the ganache with an electric mixer until it lightens in color and reaches stiff peaks. Place it in a piping bag fitted with a round piping tip. Then to assemble the macarons, place a dollop of ganache onto the underside of half the macarons, leaving a little space in the center. Then dollop some blueberry jam in the center, and then place the other macaron halves on top. Roll the sides of the ganache into some blue standing sugar. Then place the remaining ganache in a piping bag fitted with a small piping tip. Pipe the Aquarius symbol on top and you are done! So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and ring that little notification bell button so that you're notified when my next video goes live. I will see you guys on Sunday for a new video, which is a non-recipe video. This Sunday I have a video of Paddington, my puppy, learning how to toboggan. He tobogganed with me. So it's just like light and fun, and I thought you guys would like to see. And he wears boots, like a certain style of boots that he hasn't worn yet this winter, and he does the cutest waddle like ever. I'm so glad I got it on camera, so stay tuned for that. You need to see his waddle. So anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on Sunday.